What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Just takes a second. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at synchronizing large amounts of data to the Datto cloud using the Roundtrip device. Datto is a robust backup appliance solution that has file, folder, and VM level protection with built-in snapshot testing, virtualization, and off-site replication. But if you're taking a full backup of a large set of data, it's slow to push terabytes worth of data across the WAN. Datto offers a round-trip device service to ship a storage drive so you can physically copy large amounts of data and then ship it back to their secure location and tie together the cloud restore points. This is usually quicker than moving terabytes of data across the internet, even with fiber connections. These steps assume you have access to your Datto dashboard at portal.dattobackup.com and the correct portal role permissions. To order the round trip, log into your dashboard, click Status, BCDR Status, Your Device, and Order Round Trip. Fill in the information for shipping and you'll receive an email with tracking. Once the unit arrives, it'll come with a return label, the drive, a power cable, and USB cable. On your Datto appliance, locate the front USB ports by removing the front panel or access the ports on the rear of the device. Connect your power cable, USB cable, and the round trip to any USB port on the appliance. Log into the Datto device web UI and click Synchronize, then perform a USB round trip sync. The round trip wizard appears, click Next. Select your round trip device and then click Next. Select your protected agent or agents to transfer. Click Next. Enter an optional email address to get notified when completed. This is recommended as the sync could take hours or days. Click Confirm. Data will begin to copy and you will see a progress with estimated completion. If you entered an email in the wizard, you will receive a notification when completed. When synchronization has completed, put the components back into the return box with shipping label and return to Datto. Thanks for watching and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful with your Datto round trip data synchronization. See you in the next video and let's ninja fix it.